Greetings everyone, this is Sadiq Hamour, Director of Financial Institutions in the Qatar Financial Center. I have here with me Mr. Michael Schmidt, Executive Chairman of Instimatch Global, and Daniel Sandmeier, the CEO of Instimatch Global. Welcome aboard, gentlemen, and thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you on your license in the Qatar Financial Center. Hope you've had a good experience. We'd like to know if you can explain in general what is Instimatch network or platform, and what client segment does it focus on?
Thanks for having us, Sadiq. It's a pleasure to be here. Instimatch Global is a cloud-based cash deposits trading platform that connects treasurers across industry sectors and across geographies. We basically connect institutional counterparties across the globe to make cash deposits, so either borrow or lend money. Participants exchange liquidity using a interface that mimics existing workflows and helps them trade liquidity in a much more efficient way. So we try to basically provide a solution that will help new counterparties meet on the platform and grow a substantial network and trade liquidity in a way that goes way beyond the way it's been done before through a central marketplace. We basically face large banks, family offices, corporate treasurers, even municipalities or sovereign wealth funds on our platform.
Oh, interesting, very interesting.
Why does it make a lot of sense just to add how it works today? Until we started this company, it was really that most of these counterparties had two other counterparties. 60% of them were inside the country, and mostly 100% of them were just always the same. So that means when Royal Mail Post Office wants to talk to someone that they call Lloyds or HSBC, for example, they never call somebody in Qatar to get dollars.
I see. Yeah. So mainly it kind of interacts with the financial institutions globally.
Typically, banks, let's say here in Qatar, will trade liquidity between themselves, but very little of that business goes abroad or to a lesser extent. So I think we're trying to tear down boundaries and introduce counterparties across geographies, and again, as I said, I guess across sectors, and help them manage their liquidity more efficiently.
Excellent. Why was the Qatar Financial Center, or Qatar in general, was a destination of choice for Instimatch to set up here?
Qatar is only our starting point, really, and is our primary base for starting an operation in the whole region. We of course have ambition to go beyond Qatar in our expansion in the Middle East and Africa. But Qatar provides an excellent infrastructure, a very sophisticated industry and corporate network, which provide the perfect grounds to start this business here. Plus, of course, Qatar has very strong banking relationships with our home country, Switzerland, as well. And I'd say last but not least, the government's drive to help the fintech sector really is another reason for us to join the QFC and start our operation here in the region.
What further opportunities does Instimatch see or expect in the Qatar Financial Center or in the Qatari market generally in the future?
For instance, also in the digital asset space, we can imagine going into tokenized money market funds. And then particularly interesting for the region, and I believe that's something I can kind of announce today already, is that we have already started making our network software Islamic banking compliant. We're about to put finishing touches with our local partners, so we're happy to be in a short while offering a completely compliant Islamic banking solution of our system, which will obviously help this very fast growing sector further expand.
Can you tell us in a few words about your experience in setting up in the QFC?
Actually, we really felt from the beginning very accommodating. We looked at a few choices around the region because we really wanted this region as an expansion, then next expansion into Asia, but Middle East first, and looked in several countries. But obviously, the accommodation what you had and really the willingness to support companies like us, fintech companies in your country, the openness to welcome us, and the whole system, the whole financial system, the professionalism, what is going on here, that really convinced us, and actually, we feel directly very home.